Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So here we are on Mount Herman Road. It's Forest Road 320. Taking the Suzuki DR350 out for a spin. It's actually the first time I've taken it out on any serious adventures. Normally just been putting around my neighborhood because I haven't had it running right and hadn't had it registered or insured yet. But finally got all that stuff taken care of and it's running like a champ. I wanted to, like on my last video, I wasn't too happy with the audio quality, so I tried something different, and this time it didn't work out at all, because I forgot to hit record on my voice recorder, so I didn't end up with any of what I was saying during this trip. So I'm kind of doing a voiceover, which I'm not a huge fan of, but oh well. Got some pretty decent footage out of it. I'm trying out the new GoPro, so all in all, it was a success. But I wish the voice came through on the voice recorder. But that's my own fault for not checking that it was recording. So yeah, I'm super pumped about this bike. It really rips up these roads. I had a lot of fun on this little trip here. And the reason why it's so choppy is, like as far as the video goes, cutting in and out, it's because, like I said earlier, my voice recorder didn't record, so some of this you can kind of hear me in the background talking, but it's not, can't hear what I'm saying. So I just went ahead and clipped out those pieces where I was talking, just because it sounded like just jibber jabber. So because the GoPro was picking it up. There were a few stretches here where I was able to really run with it, but this is the first time I've been on this road in like 8 months, so wasn't really sure what the road condition was like, how things deteriorated over winter. So I didn't want to pick up too much speed through some of those turns in case there was a big washout or something. And plus with the state being on shutdown still, a lot of people are out driving around, and I didn't want to come head on into someone. Normally there's not really anyone on these roads too much, but just out of an abundance of caution, I decided to keep the speed down just a little bit through some of those turns and stuff, just because just didn't want to meet a Jeep head on, through one of these turns really fast. If they're speeding and I'm speeding, I will certainly lose in that situation. But all in all, I had a really good time. Stop for a selfie there and drink of water. It's like the first camping site you get to when you're going up this hill. It's like about 4 miles into it. It's a pretty cool little overlook. Camping there.
Total joy.
So here I am breaking off onto Forest Road 318, and it's an out and back trail, and it connects to 319 a couple miles into it, but I didn't take it too far. This is my first time on this bike in this setting, so I didn't really want to push the limit too much because it was starting to get a little sketchy. little farther in, so I decided to turn around and come back. But once I get a little bit more comfortable with this bike, I'll be certainly coming back onto this trail. Not sure why I was going so slow through that little section there. I think I saw something that had my attention. But anyway, right here I start getting after it again. This bike is like night and day difference between my other bike, which is a Royal Enfield Himalayan. You know, and it's unfair to compare the two, like I mentioned in one of my previous videos. They're just different bikes completely, but this was a lot of fun, getting out on something light with a lot of power. But yeah, anyways, pretty much wraps up this video. Nothing major. I just wanted to test this bike out on the trails, and so far I'm happy with it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill, and I'll see you on the next video.